So obviously, as you can see, I have just finished shampooing my hair. That video should be up on the channel. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead and check it out later. So I shampooed my hair using a hotel shampoo. Like I said in that video, it's not bad, so you can go ahead and check out that video and see my thoughts on the shampoo. So I'm going to go ahead now and deep condition my hair using the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. So the shampoo that I use is quite stripping, so my hair does feel a little bit stripped, but not that bad either. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this amount to this section. And although I used a surfaced shampoo and my hair does feel stripped, what this deep conditioner is going to do is going to restore the moisture back to my strands. So the shampoo, although it was stripping, it did the job of a shampoo. So remember, I said you shouldn't be afraid of using shampoos. If you want to know why, I'm going to link a video below why so many naturals are so afraid of using surface shampoo or clarifying shampoo. But as you can see, although my hair was somewhat stripped with the shampoo, this deep conditioner is going to revive that. It's going to lash into every single strand because there's no buildup, and it's going to do the job of a deep conditioner. It's going to just moisturize my hair. So already my hair feels so soft just by applying the deep conditioner to it. So I'm going to continue applying the deep conditioner, put some music on, fast forward it, and I'll come back towards the end and I'll speak to you guys about my thoughts on this deep conditioner.
I have finished deep conditioning my hair. I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. Now I'm going to be using the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in detangler treatment to moisturize my hair. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair, all over my strands in twist. Make sure that my strands are completely coated. I'm going to squeeze it in, and then I'm going to put my hair in a bun and allow it to dry up to about 80%, and then I'll go on to add my moisturizer and my sealant, which is my Ayurvedic hair oil or my Ayurvedic hair butter, whatever I have at hand. I'm going to use to seal in all that moisture from this wash day. Now going back to the Moroccan deep conditioner, that deep conditioner is absolutely amazing. It's a gorgeous deep conditioner. It leaves any stripped, any dry, brittle hair, it leaves it completely moisturized and silky. This is an amazing deep conditioner, so I can really understand the price of the deep conditioner, but this is not something that you can buy and use all the time. It's a treatment for your hair. So maybe if you want to splash, you can go ahead and buy one and then use it once a month or once every other month to just give your hair that kiss of amazing goodness. So I'm going to leave this video here, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. If you already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, smash the notification bell, and if you made it to this part of the video, you are a star. Leave a comment below saying you are a star, and I will know that you've made it to the end of this video. Really appreciate the love that you guys showing for this channel. So I'm going to leave this video here, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.